Hey guys, Tim here. So this company sent over this thermal printer for us to check out. So we actually have not had a traditional printer for the past few years, and I feel like in this day and age, a lot of people don't have those anymore. There's less and less stuff on paper anyway. So I know for us, we're stuck between borrowing someone's printer or we'll print something out at work and stuff when we need to. So this is really cool because this is a small little portable printer. It comes with a case, so you can take this with you if you're between home and office. If you're someone who doesn't need to print out, a ton of stuff daily and things like that, then this can be a really great option, I think. Let me show you here what's included. This is pretty cool. You get this paper inside of this, and then it comes in this case here. So pretty awesome. It's nice and portable. This is a really nice case. It feels great. It's a soft, feel, but this is pretty much a hard case here. And it has a nice grip on the case here and everything, but surprised that you actually get some of the paper to start too. That's really convenient because if you don't have any and you just bought this and you really needed to print something, they get you started, so pretty cool. Then you also get this quick start guide in here. And this is packaged very nicely for the printer, no scratching or anything there. So Type-C to USB cable right there. This is the ribbon, it looks like. So that's your thermal printing ribbon. So this is specific to this brand, it looked like, but I saw you could order those online at a pretty decent rate. So there it is, HPRT branding there. So looks like that already comes with one ribbon in there, I guess. This must be a replacement one there. So pretty cool, it shows you right there, kind of how to install that and take that out. And yeah, power button is right there. This side right here, it kind of shows you, looks like a kind of wireless connection, notification LED right there. And then this right here is your Type-C port for charging this, or for, data transfer as well if you're using this as a wired connection. I guess, so yeah, that's what's included. Lauren here is gonna show you kind of how to use this and what the final results look like.
So here we have the thermal printer that's already turned on, as you can see by the indicator here, which simply pushed the power button and held it down. On the inside here, you wanna pop this open to look at it. Inside here, you can see that they have the thermal ribbon that's already installed. There's little wheels on the side that you can use to tighten if you need to tighten this thermal ribbon down. You want it to be nice and flat before you guys do any printing. You simply are able to push this back down in place. See how the light indicates blue, so it's ready to go. You guys have to connect this to the Bluetooth app on your phone. Setup was really simple to connect to that. Once you decide what you want to print, simply upload that. You can then click and print something from your photos, the web, iCloud. Once you click on that, just know what size paper you guys have, and then you're good to go to print. So here I'm going to show you today just a test page that I did earlier here. So all you guys have to do at first is kind of feed the paper into the open slot. So when you have your paper, you want to feed it into the opening in the back. Then you guys will hear that sound and it will pull the paper in. When you hear one click, you know it's good to go. So I'm going to show you a test print page here. I'm going to triple click this power button. So this allows you guys to see the quality of the test page that we just printed here. You can see it's nice and clear and easy to read. This was printed on the glossy paper, which is recommended for the thermal ribbon. It's nice because you get 2 thermal ribbon modules in the unit, and each one prints approximately 45 pages. So overall, guys, you can see that this is a nice, small, compact unit. I think it offers a great option if you're looking for something at home instead of a big, bulky printer. It's nice, lightweight, and really quick.